Hi, I'm Coach Zauner, and we're here for my 15th annual Free Agent Combine in Gilbert, Arizona. There are 72 specialists, 23 snappers, 17 punters, and 32 kickers. So now enjoy this specialist workout.
All right, here we go. Kicker number 8, Nicholas Vogel, University of Alabama at Birmingham. Kickoff number 1. All right, good solid hit. Drove that ball out the back of the end zone. I got a 4-0-2 hang. 78-yard kick. Kickoff number 2. All right, drove that ball. All right, got a 3-8-0 hang. 80-yard kick. Kickoff number 3. All right, decent hit on that ball. Got a little extra rotation. All right, got a 4-2-5 hang. 67-yard kick. Kicker number 7. All right, that's good. Pretty much down the middle. A little bit lower trajectory. Kicker number 7, NFL extra point. Good solid hit, right down the middle. Good. Kicker number 7, 36-yard field goal, right hash. All right, good solid hit, right down the middle. Good. Number 7, 39-yard field goal, left hash. All right, good solid hit on that ball, good elevation, 2 to the left. All right, number 7, 42-yard field goal, right hash.
Good.
All right, that's good.
Where are you good?
We're good.
You're good? Cool. Thank you. No problem.
Number 7, 45-yard field goal, left hash. That's good. Number 7, 47-yard field goal. All right, that's good. Number 7, 51-yard bonus field goal. That's good.
20.
Number 7, 54-yard bonus field goal. All right, that's good. Number 7, 57-yard bonus field goal. That's good. Number 7, 60-yard bonus field goal. That's good.
All right, here we go. Number 63, number 7.
Kicker number 7, 63-yard bonus field goal. No good. Hooked it left.
All right.
Here we go, number 7, 63-yard bonus field goal, mulligan shot. Good.